Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create infographics with Canva detailed guide step by step clearly.
Open Canva and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the home page.
In the search bar, type infographic and press enter.
Browse the available templates to find one that suits your theme. Click on a template to open it in the editor. Familiarize yourself with the design panel on the left side. To customize the text, click on any text box.
You can change the font, size, and color in the toolbar above. To replace images, click on the image you want to change.
Upload your own images or choose from Canva's library. You can also add icons by clicking on the Elements tab. Search for specific icons that match your infographic topic. Drag and drop your chosen icons into your design. To adjust the arrangement of elements, use the positioning tools.
You can layer elements by right-clicking and selecting Send to Back or Bring to Front. If you want to add more sections, duplicate existing elements. To adjust the colors, click on any element and choose a color from the palette. Ensure that the color scheme is consistent throughout your infographic. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file type, like PNG or PDF. Finally, click on Download to save your infographic to your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.